Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and today I'm going to show you how to send an Instagram voice message. Okay, so here we are on Instagram. What I'm going to show you is how to send a voice message. So first of all, we want to go to our messages. So we can swipe right when we're on the home screen, or we can tap the arrow in the top right corner. And then you want to go into an individual message. If you want to learn more about messages or Instagram tutorials or tutorials from a bunch of other apps, just check out my other videos. I have tons of tutorials on how to do a bunch of other stuff, but we want to get into an individual message thread. I'm actually going to go to just a message thread of one of my other accounts. Thinking about posting on this account more, so go ahead and follow it if you want. It's called Invest Every Day. You can also follow me on my account right here, ANDYPNGR. But basically, once you're into a message thread, you'll see some different options on the bottom of the screen. You can send photos, you can tap the plus sign to get some more options there. But what we're talking about is the microphone icon. So you'll see it says press and hold to record. So I'll just hold this down and start talking. You can see that it's recording. And it even sort of does a bar with the volume and stuff like that, so that's interesting. You'll see if I pause for a second, the bar is stopped there, so it kind of picks up on the volume of my voice and stuff like that, so it's pretty nice, it's pretty well done. And then once I just stop talking, I can release my finger, and that will be sent. So there it is, you can see that it's sent. I could tap the play icon and play it back to myself. I can also record another one. Once I'm recording, you can see it says swipe left to cancel or release to send. So you see if I swipe left, it's gonna give me this trash icon. It's still recording, but I can put it here in the trash icon. That's just gonna delete that message. It's gonna make it go away, and you can do the same thing, just hold down and talk. Once you release, it will automatically send. So there you have it, overview of how to send voice messages in Instagram. It's pretty easy to use, it's pretty straightforward. They did a really good job with it, so it's something that I might use a little bit, especially if you're driving or something like that. You want to respond to a message quick, it's better than typing. So that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them down in the comments below and I'll try and answer those. Also, definitely check out the Instagram playlist with tons of other tutorials. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear